How to buy Bitcoin Cash on Etoro app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to buy Etoro Cash on Etoro app in easy fast method. So first thing we do, we go to Etoro like this, and this is the home page as you can see. Now you go down below to watch list, click on watch list and wait a few seconds, then go down and you will find BCH. Click on the Bitcoin Cash logo and then choose trade. Click on trade and choose the amount of money that you want to invest. After you choose, click on open trade and then choose your payment method. You have many options here. After you choose, you have to go down and click on deposit and everything will be done after. And that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.